Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today we'll explore one of GridMate's powerful actions, the mass email action. This feature simplifies the process of sending bulk emails, making it easy to communicate with large groups quickly and effectively. Let's get started. First, open the Config wizard, go to Action section, and add the mass email action. Once you are done, copy the configuration. Click Close. Now, click on the gear icon, then click Edit Page. Select your component, go to Actions Property, and paste your configuration. Then click Save and return to your page. Let's select some records. Now, click on Mass Email. After filling the form, click Send. The email is sent successfully. Here is a cool feature we can add: email scheduling. Let's go back to the configuration and add the Can Schedule attribute. Back to Lightning App Builder. Paste your new config to the Actions property. Click Save. And click Back. Let's test it again. Select some records and click on Mass Email. You can see here that you can now schedule your emails. Select the date and time and then click Schedule Send. And that's it. You've added a mass email action and enabled scheduling in just a few steps. Thank you for watching.